Hello, welcome. I know looking at this question, find the value of cos 75. You'll be asking, why am I solving this? This is to buttress the point we did in the previous episode, the compound angle. How we can use the compound angle to solve questions like this. This is not a special angle. So we need to rewrite this to have a special representation. So let's see, if I have the cos of 75, I can write this as the cos of some special angles that I know. I know of angle 45 is a special angle, angle 30 is a special angle. Adding the two give me back the 75. So this we can work with. So what will I do? I will now go into the expansion for the sum of two angles. How do we expand that? This can be expanded as the cos of the first angle times the cos of the second angle minus the sine of the first angle times the sine of the second angle. So these are the expansion we can get from the sum of a cos. Then we replace this by its rightful representation. We know cos 45 has a value, but this we know it has a value on calculator by solving method. This is how we get it. So this become 0, 30, 70, 45. So the root of 2 on 2 multiplying cos 30, 0, 30. So the root of 3 on 2 minus sine 45 and cos 45 are the same. So we have this. Then this is the inverse of this, so 1 over 2. Let's multiply further. The root will multiply, right? So I get the root of 6 in this multiplication. Then 2 to 4 minus, in the case of this, 1 times this will give you the root of 2. Then we have what? 4. But what will I do from here? I have the same denominator, so I can add or subtract the numerators. So that become okay, the root of 6 minus the root of 2, all divided by what? 4. We are performing subtraction of the numerators. But I can see that there's a common factor here, which we can see root 2, root 3. Root 2 is here. So I can say this is becoming, take the root 2 out, you remain root 3 minus 1 divided by what? 4. So if I free it, I can free it. It will be like this. Or I can also free it as the root of 2 over 4 multiplying the root of 3 minus 1. We can leave it in that form. We can also leave it in this form. I guess the concept. The 75 looks so simple, but we need to expand it based on the sum and the difference of angles. Like, share, comment, and subscribe.